Assalamu alaikum. Welcome, dear friends. Before starting the lesson, please make happy faces. Smiley faces have you made? Okay, let's start lesson of the day. And this letter name is P. This is capital P and this is small p. Its phonic is P. P. Its phonic is P. What is this? Pen. And these are pens. P, pen. P, pens. Understand? Now have lots of friend of P today. What are these? These are pencils. P, pencils. P, pencils. Okay, now look at this. These are pencil colors. What are these? Pencil colors. P, pencil colors. P, pencil colors. Okay, I have beautiful friend. What is this? And this one also. Parrot. Its name is parrot. Parrot begins with phonic P. Parrot. P. Parrot. Okay. Next friend is, this is also a bird. Do you know what's its name? It is a pigeon. P. Pigeon. P. Pigeon. Oh, what a yummy fruit. What is this? This is a pomegranate. This is a pomegranate. P. Pomegranate. Okay. Now, what is this? This is a yummy fruit also. Pineapple. P. Pineapple. P. Pineapple. Look at this. I know it is your favorite thing. Pizza. P. Pizza. P. Pizza. Okay. Look at this. What is it? Popcorn. I know you also like it. Popcorns begins with phonic P. Popcorns. P. Popcorns. Okay. Look at this. How much beautiful animal is this? This is a peacock. P. Peacock. P. Peacock. Okay. Who is he? Do you know? He is a prince. P. Prince. P. Prince. And who is she? P. Princess. P. Prince. P. Princess. Okay. Now look at this. What is it? Potato. This vegetable name is potato. And potato begins with phonic P. Potato. And we made potato chips from potato. P. Potato chips. P. Potato chips. Okay, now I have a man. Do you know who is he? He's a policeman. He's a policeman and this is police car. P. Policeman. P. Police car. Who is he? He's a boy and he's flying a parachute. He's coming down from parachute. P. Parachute. P. parachute. He is coming down with the help of parachute. Okay. Now look at this. This is a fruit and its name is peach. Peach begins with phonic p. Peach. P. Peach. Okay. This is also a fruit and its name is pear. Pear begins with phonic p. P. Pear. P. Pear. Okay, I have some trees. Do you know what's its name? Its name is palm tree. P. Palm tree. P. Palm tree. And in this picture, there are lots of palm trees. Okay, P. Palm trees. Okay, now I have a fruit. Do you know what's its name? Its name is plum. Plum. Plum begins with phonic p. Plum. P. Plum. Okay. I have one more thing. It is very big in size and its name is pumpkin. Pumpkin begins with phonic p. Pumpkin. P. Pumpkin. Okay. Now look at this. This is a pen. This is a pen. Pen begins with phonic p. Pen. P. Pen. And I have one more thing and its name is pancake. Pancake begins with phonic p. Pancake. Okay. Now look at this. What is it? It is a bed. But what is this? This is a pillow. Pillow begins with phonic p. Pillow. P. Pillow. Okay. Look at this picture. This is a pond. Pond. And this is a pot. P. Pond. P. Pot. Okay. Which animal is this? He is a penguin. Penguin. P. Penguin. P. Penguin. Okay. Tell me one thing. Who flies an aeroplane? A pilot flies an aeroplane. Who flies an aeroplane? Pilot. P. Pilot. P. Pilot. I have one vegetable. Look at this. And this one. What is it? Peas. What is it? Peas. P. Peas. P. Peas. Peas. Next. Who is he? Player. Who is he? A player. P. Player. P. Player. Okay. Now look at this. What is going on? Tea is pouring. Tea is pouring in the cup. P. Pouring. P. Pouring. Okay. Do you like this picture? At the end of the lesson, I have one more picture. Look at this. Postman. Postman delivers the letters. Postman delivers the letters. P. Postman. P. Postman. Okay, dear students. Now our lesson is end. And you have to clap for yourself. And one message is, please subscribe my channel, like my videos and share my videos also. and write some comments in comment box. See you next time in the next video with new letter and with interesting pictures. Till the next video, Allah Hafiz. Please subscribe our channel. Click bell icon for notification of our upcoming videos. Please like and share videos. Put your comments in our comment section.